Happy Thanksgiving. Next time you see us playing hard, know that we worked hard to get it. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Christmas, New Year's, Thanksgiving, year after year, we've worked them all. I can't tell you how many Christmas Eves I've worked, but we make up for it. Once the work's done, we go play hard, and I'm really thankful I have a crew here on Thanksgiving to help me. I can't do it alone. Have a good one. This is our Thanksgiving crew, our detail crew. Let's see who's all here. Really grateful we get to work on Thanksgiving. Really, seriously, that's what workers are grateful for. Got Edgar polishing the shafts. Happy Thanksgiving. Keep going, looking good, man. Going up here past the sew table. Bear with me here. Got our detail wash going on the tuna tower. The Thanksgiving crew, say hello.
Hello.
Here's Jose putting in the carpet runner. Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, let's see what we got going up here. We got Jesse putting in the port lights. Happy Thanksgiving, Jesse.
Hey, happy Thanksgiving.